Hi guys, in this video let me teach you how can you fix the camera bug in Roblox Mobile. So without further ado, let's get right onto it. So for this to be able to fix guys, so I have a couple of methods. So the first method guys is to actually leave the game and join a different game so that you can try and see if that worked, because that will probably work 9 times out of 10 because it is proven by other players there. So the second method guys is to actually go over to your settings here, the upper left corner. Go over to the gear icon here and make sure to change the movement mode from default to classic thumbstick. And there, as you can see, just exit out of that and see if that worked for you. If it doesn't guys, then I suggest to reset your Roblox app altogether by going over and logging out and logging in again on this app. Okay, so there you can also try and modify the camera mode to classic here and see if that worked for you. So okay, so after that, if that still does not work, then let's go on over to the settings of our Roblox here. Go ahead and press and hold that app info and go ahead to clear cache and clear all data here and hit OK here. So you just have to log in again on your Roblox app and you're good to go. The last thing to check is go on over to the Play Store or App Store depending on what phone you have, and you just have to go ahead and check if you have the latest version of the Roblox app. If not, you just have to update the app guys. So those are the ways on how you can fix this issue. Thank you for watching and goodbye.